Do you want to have pretty white teeth? Everyone wants white, clean, and even teeth. It has long been said that having healthy teeth is a blessing, so a person who has healthy, clean, and white teeth is always envied upon. Even and white teeth can create a bright image and give a good impression. On the contrary, a person who has yellow teeth not only gives the impression of being not clean but also has a bad effect on interpersonal relationships. When you talk with someone, your eyes move unconsciously to the eyes, nose, and mouth of the person talking to and check their teeth, so you need to pay attention to what your teeth color is. Today we're going to look at the causes of having yellow teeth and how to manage them. In addition to food, tooth discoloration can occur for various reasons such as smoking, aging, trauma, and genetic diseases. The problem is that once teeth are discolored, they cannot be easily returned with brushing or scaling. So what is the cause of the yellow tooth? First, it's in the food you consume. Many people prefer coffee as the drink we encounter the most. Like coffee, wine or black tea has a component called tannin. This tannin contains black pigment, which penetrates the teeth and discolors the color of the teeth. Foods that contain a large amount of pigment such as chocolate also cause teeth to turn yellow. But for chocolate, not only does it turn the color of teeth but the sugar in chocolate also causes cavities. Most foods with strong pigments can discolor your teeth. Second, smoking. When you smoke, the chemical product of tar does not break down naturally in the mouth and remains in the mouth, causing them to stick to the surface of the teeth, causing discoloration. Third, aging. Our bodies age as we get older. As the teeth age equally, the color of the teeth becomes dull and yellow. To prevent this coloration and discoloration of teeth, you can do few things. If you consumed food that can discolor your teeth, brush your teeth as soon as possible. The pigment that comes into contact with the surface of the teeth during meals immediately penetrates and accumulates, so brush your teeth as soon as possible. Rinse your mouth with water several times to prevent any discoloration. If you have yellow teeth, it is not recommended to consume a drink that has a color like coffee. However, it is not easy to stop drinking coffee suddenly even if you know this fact. When you drink coffee, you can use a straw to reduce the amount of pigment that touches your teeth. In the case of coffee, if you drink it as a latte, the caffeine in milk prevents discoloration. Also, eating fruits and vegetables is good to prevent discoloration. Hard fruits or vegetables, such as apples, carrots, celery, and the skin of beans, serve to keep the surface of the teeth clean by self-purification during chewing. You can also try using whitening products to maintain white teeth. A 15-minute wipe with coconut oil can help whiten teeth with the effects of lauric acid. If you have a habit of thoroughly managing hygiene in the mouth, it will help prevent tooth coloring as well as tooth decay and gum disease.